Good afternoon. I'm Rod Jenkins, Director of the Durham County Department of Public Health. This week, I want to address a CDC report listing Durham as an area of concern for COVID cases, and then I want to address the importance of getting tested and knowing your COVID status moving forward. Some of you may have heard the report that Durham County as a North Carolina county of concern for COVID-19 transmissions. This comes as COVID-19 cases continue to increase in Durham County. Although significant increases in cases are largely the result of expanded testing in Durham County, this is an important reminder that this pandemic is far from over. This is why it is increasingly important to know your COVID status. This week, the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services updated guidance on who should get tested for COVID-19. As always, if you have symptoms, if you are at high risk for exposure, such as individuals in historically marginalized populations, first responders, or other essential workers, or if you've had close contact with someone with COVID-19, you should be tested. In the latest state guidance, all people who attended protests, rallies, or other mass gatherings should consider being tested, particularly if you were in crowds which you could not practice social distancing effectively. The good news is Durham is continuing to expand testing options, and it is even easier than ever to find testing sites near you. Visit our website at decopublichealth.org/COVID testing for a list of all testing sites in Durham. On this page, you will also find links to our data hub, which features a map of testing locations, and the state testing portal, where you can enter your address to find the testing location closest to you. Some of these locations require insurance or a doctor's referral, but other locations, like Walgreens and CVS, are free even without insurance and simply require making an appointment online. We now offer 2 additional CVS sites to Durhamites as announced today. So visit our website at decopublichealth.org/COVID testing for more information. And finally, there have been 2 slight changes to our Safer at Home order. So visit durhamnc.gov for details. Masks are still required, and bars and indoor gyms are still closed. We want all of you in Durham to know your COVID status. If you're not feeling well, have been to a close contact with someone, or have been diagnosed with COVID, or have attended a protest or other mass gatherings, you should get tested. Remember, even as things continue to reopen, you are still safest at home. When you do go out, wear a face covering, wait at least 6 feet from others, and wash your hands often with soap and water for 20 seconds each time. This pandemic is far from over, so we must all continue to do our best to protect others and one another, and we will get through this. We can do this, Durham.